Let's do an unboxing from Antique Rose Emporium right here in Texas. This is my first live plant rose shipment, so I'm super excited, especially that it's from right here in Texas, the Antique Rose Emporium. I ordered Star of the Republic. Let's see how she looks. And I will say, even though I want to make a trip down there in the spring, shipping was not that bad for me because I'm actually just 4 hours away. So we've got paperwork. Wow. She looks pretty good. Let's pull her out of here. Packaged wonderfully. Pull it open. All I didn't see is look, a little baby rose. These are own root roses, and they're probably 2 years old. They're small, but they will take on off. Looks really healthy, which I think they do like 2 day shipping, 2 or 3. Packing, and then these paper's wet, so they did water it. Oh, I'm getting dirt everywhere. It is potted. It looks really healthy. It's got some good foliage on it. So we have our Star of the Republic, my first Antique Rose Emporium rose, representing the state of Texas. If you want to check them out, they're in Brenham, Texas. And their website is We Are Roses. And this is what Star of the Republic looks like. I love that it has that antique rose look.